A&A Lock & Key is a locally owned professional locksmith. We've been serving New Mexico since 1998. We offer a full line of mobile locksmith services for automotive, residential, and commercial locksmith services. And we offer them 24 hours a day, every day of the year. We are a mobile locksmith. We also do replacement of locks, rekeying, auto lockouts, transponder keys, car keys, laser cut keys, car ignition replacement, and much more. We are the locksmith you can count on. Call us today at 505-292-4844 or visit www.locksmith505.com.